went through StoryBrand and how to depict it that way with, showing the customer as being the hero, and we're just a guide to allow them to succeed in that. And then all the budget that has to go into this to reach the clients, and kind of mapped out the next 12 months. So it was a great opportunity. I really look forward to it, and grateful to be able to work with Turnkey. And you can really map out the investment and then the return. It's not textbook, but it does make sense when you sit down and put together a map. So I'm really looking forward to it, trying to equalize our car count plus achieve the growth that we're looking for, but that's done off of realistic numbers to what the market potential is. And as you do all of that, it really starts to make sense, and you can see the progress.
Yeah. You excited to just hand over your marketing and not have to worry about that as much?
I am. It's nice to be able to trust in the process and trust in the people that are behind it. So I'm really grateful you guys make the trip up here.
Yeah.
And really look forward to it.